Now, let's learn some different ways in order to prevent succession. We agreed that preventing an area from reaching its climax community can sometimes be a good thing. So, the artificial prevention of succession is a good thing in order to preserve an ecosystem in its current stage of succession. There are a few different ways that succession can be prevented for conservation purposes. For example, grazing animals can be introduced temporarily. As they eat the growing shoots of shrubs and trees, this stops these plants from establishing themselves and prevents succession. In addition, managed burning can be also used, during which controlled fires are lit and allowed to burn away the shrubs and the trees. Species such as heather grow back quickly in their place. This resets the process of succession, meaning the larger woody plants will take a long time to grow back, at which point the burning can be repeated.